Are you looking for the best home air compressors in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best home air compressors that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bostitch 3-tool air compressor combo kit. Bostitch's 6-gallon Pancake compressor produces up to 150 psi of pressure and offers 2 connection ports, so that users can power 2 air tools simultaneously. This air compressor comes with 3 Bostitch branded tools, an 18-gauge brad nailer, a 16-gauge finish nailer, and a 0.375-inch crown stapler, plus sample fasteners for each. We tested all 3 of the tools, and the Pancake compressor easily supplied enough air power to run each of them. We also tested the compressor in a real job situation, powering a roofing nailer and installing shingles, and it supplied all the pressure we needed. On a whim, we connected an impact wrench and used it to remove the lugs from a car tire. The Bostitch was successful there too, although it cycled more frequently. It wasn't the quietest air compressor in our tests, but it wasn't the loudest either. The Bostitch produces about 80 dB of noise during its recovery, which is comparable to lively conversation or an alarm clock. It may be a little too loud for indoor use where noise levels must be limited, but it's a good pick for outdoor projects. If you're looking for a Pancake-style compressor that's powerful enough to power standard DIY air tools and comes with 3 quality tools, check out this Bostitch compressor kit. Up next in the 4th place is the California Air Tools 1P1060S portable air compressor. Looking for a versatile home compressor that doesn't cost a lot? Check out the California Air Tools 1P1060S. This affordable compressor weighs just 29 pounds and features a 1-gallon steel air tank. When it cycles on, it generates just 56 dB of noise comparable to casual conversation. In our tests, it was simple to use and easy to carry. Initially, we wondered whether a compressor this compact and quiet would stand up to anything more than airbrushing, but we were pleasantly surprised. Although the 1P1060S did a great job with our airbrush, it also powered a brad nailer and a construction stapler and inflated the oversized tires on our truck. This compressor delivers 1.2 CFM at 90 psi, and we were impressed at how quickly it recovered when we had used enough pressure to trigger the recovery cycle. It took just 12 to 13 seconds for it to power back up to its maximum at 120 psi. While it isn't designed to power high-capacity pneumatic tools, such as impact wrenches or commercial spray guns, it delivers reliable power for smaller air tools. Best of all, it's super quiet, so it works well as a light-duty home compressor and for indoor use. The 3rd product on our list is the EPAuto 12V DC portable air compressor pump. EPAuto's portable air compressor pump can't power nail guns, staplers, sprayers, or other pneumatic tools, but it can serve as a great companion in a roadside emergency. This handy little compressor can deliver up to 70 psi, providing enough air power to inflate vehicle tires and other inflatables such as balls and bike tires. Do note that it doesn't have the oomph for large truck tires. As soon as we plugged the compressor in and flipped it on, it started cycling. It has a digital gauge, and we toggled through several metric measurements before locating the psi setting. The compressor has a valve for filling vehicle and bicycle tires, and we filled up both. We purposely released the air from some of our car tires, and then used the EPAuto compressor to fill them back up to the recommended pressure. It performed admirably. The compressor shut off automatically once the tire reached the preset pressure. We really liked the thoughtful built-in flashlight, which would be very useful when inflating a tire at night. This portable air compressor plugs into a vehicle's 12-volt socket cigarette lighter and inflates the tire to running pressure to help get you back on the road. When stowed in the trunk, This little air compressor offers peace of mind and a quick fix for tires with slow leaks. Second on our list is the Milwaukee M1818V cordless tire inflator. Car tire inflators will inflate basketballs, bike tires, and most passenger car tires, but they typically aren't powerful enough to fill the larger tires on pickup trucks. With the Milwaukee inflator, truck tires are no problem. Unlike standard air compressors, this inflator doesn't have a pressurized air tank. Instead, it features a robust pump that forces compressed air through the air compressor hose and into the tire. The inflator draws its power from a Milwaukee M18 rechargeable battery and charger sold separately. If you own other cordless M18 Milwaukee power tools, their batteries will interchange with this inflator. Runtime will depend on the capacity of the battery you use. We really like the option to inflate tires to a preset pressure. The Milwaukee inflator features a digital screen and scroll buttons that allowed us to select the desired pressure. We selected 80 psi on the screen and connected the valve to our pickup's 10-ply tires. Watching the screen, we could see the tire pressure increase as the Milwaukee inflator went to work airing it up. As soon as the pressure reached 80 psi, the inflator shut off. Like all Milwaukee tools, this inflator is well built. It's made from impact-resistant materials, and an accidental fall from our truck bed didn't harm it. Don't miss this one if you're looking for an on-the-go inflator that can inflate pickup tires. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt Pancake air compressor. For a Pancake air compressor, the DeWalt packs solid power while remaining quite portable with its compact size and reasonable weight. With the ability to deliver a maximum 2.6 CFM 90 psi, it will power finish and framing nailers with ease. At under 30 pounds and with a sturdy handle on the top of the compressor, it should also one of the easier Pancake compressors to haul around. Since it comes equipped with 2 couplers and reaches a high max pressure of 165 psi, it can simultaneously power 2 lighter-duty air tools, such as a couple of finish nailers. Despite its impressive power output, it produces less than 80 decibels when its motor kicks on, making it quieter than most air compressors here. While I do like its 2.6 CFM for most tasks, it'll likely struggle with tools like impact wrenches, since those require 4 to 5 CFM. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.